So I have a question from Vesna about the 1579 and assessment task number 1, where the students were supposed to create a mood board, actually 2 mood boards for the clients. So I'm just going to share the screen with you, and I'm going to show you a few assessment tasks which were completed. Just give me a moment. Assessment submissions. Okay. Okay, this one was pretty well done. So I'm just gonna share it with you and let me know if you can see it.
Okay.
Okay, can you see it?
Yeah, now I do. Yep.
Okay, excellent. So this is a Lawrence assessment, and she's done. So basically, what she's done first is in the part A. She gave us a project scope,
Yep.
the whole scope of work, then scope of services, then site analysis, so obviously using the documents which were supplied, obviously using the address. Then she made a site analysis conclusion, and then she produced a project timeline, okay, for all the works which she included here. So site analysis, client questionnaire, etc., part A and B. Then she done a client profile questionnaire. So it's all from the assessment task, obviously.
Yep.
And she just answered those questions using the client profile document.
Yep.
Then she described, so it goes through the rooms, aesthetics process. Then she's done minutes of meetings. Minutes of meetings actually relate to the meetings with me when you sent your mood boards for the feedback, okay? So, and I need to give you feedback as me representing the clients, okay? So I look through your mood boards and I give you the feedback on that. So then she went through the building code standards which are applicable to that particular assessment task, and look at the constraints. So this is a part A. So obviously she's got an Excel document for assessment task timeline as well. And then part B. So I'm just going to do a new share with you and do part B. So you can either submit it as one document or you can submit it separately. You can also do it in PowerPoint, which is much nicer, or you can do it as a PDF document. So this is the part B. So this is a description of a project brief, and she's done it as a proposal. So she came out with a palette board. This is a suggestion for different rooms. So that's her dining, that's her living suggestion, that's her kitchen, and this is a floor plan layout she's done. So basically what's required is that you select the furniture and you work on the layout which is already supplied to you, okay? So you can use pencil and, or markers or pen, and you can produce a somewhat layout like this, okay? Then proposal number 2 is different palette board. So again, living, dining, kitchen, and that's a layout again with different elements. So obviously, this is the pieces of furniture which the client wanted to keep. So you need to accommodate it.
Yes.
So, and that's what she's done. She's done a critical analysis. She wanted to accommodate it, and she looks through that, and obviously here's the references at the end.
Yep. Okay.
So with her case, she actually didn't include the client elements into the mood board.
Okay.
Which I thought would be good to include, because that's basically, that's what they wanted to see, and that's what I pointed out as a mistake here.
Okay.
Now, you need to really, really read the client requirement well to understand what they want, because I will be looking through that very, particularly, because for me, it's important to see how you address client, and how you work with the client. Okay.
Basically, we were not to touch anything existing, just work around what's there. So no adding walls or.
No.
Okay,
No. You went, above and beyond as usual.
Yeah.
No, leave the walls there. They should stay there.
Okay, I just didn't see a lot of interest. Okay, that's fair enough. No worries.
Yes,
We can change bench tops, yes, and cupboards and doors.
that's right. You can do that. You can do that, absolutely. I might just have a look if I have more to show you. So, obviously not interested in the part A. It's not that important. I think it's more important to see the design proposal.
Yeah.
Okay, so I might just show you this one, design proposal by Sky. So I really like what she gave the name to it. Can you see it?
Yeah, tribal chic.
Yeah, shack.
Is a shack or chic?
I think it's shack, tribal shack. Yes, so she collected all the elements. Obviously, she's done it by hand, which I really appreciate.
Yeah.
Wanted to see more natural elements in there, like, pieces of samples of floorboards and fabrics, and make it more real and more natural, how you would collect it for a client.
Yeah.
And I keep trying to tell you, do that, guys, and you keep ignoring me, and I keep telling you, do this.
I did my mood board in hand. The whole thing was in hand, put together on the floor.
That's right, but more elements, like natural elements, would be appreciated.
Yep. Yeah.
Okay. So she's done the layout again here, dining table again. What I want you to watch for the layouts, and once again, look at the scale of things.
Yeah. That doesn't look right.
No, not at all. Look at the scale of things, where you're placing them, how big they are, etc. Just pay real good attention to it. If you're taking the layout, if you're taking the blueprints, have a look at the scale and scale all the furniture down. If you find in any furniture you want to place into layout, have a look at the size of it and scale it into the layout, the size it's supposed to be. So that's another idea she proposed, modern Aztec.
Okay.
So, and that's another layout. So different students, different submissions, different looks. So,
but that's what's good about it.
Exactly, yes. So she's done furnishing, etc. So obviously she included the items and made a conclusion references. Okay. So do you have any more questions?
No. These are stuff that are completely.
I don't know. You just missed the ballpark completely.
I just completely missed the plot there. I like I said, my brain just was not operating at all, and I think I was concentrating mostly on the last 6 or 7 sessions in the 15 sessions, and I just skipped over the first 3-4 sessions, and this is why I missed the whole 15 sessions were about this project. Like, oh my God.
That's right. That's okay. You will catch up and you'll do just the best one, and we will send it to the national director and she's going to love it.
No pressure there.
The way she did the previous ones. So she's putting it on the board now, publishing as in.
I don't know why you used that horrible marshmallow chair I did for the what's called, for the journal entry. I thought, oh my God, this looks so like.
Well, it wasn't my choice. It was her choice.
Really?
Yes.
That looked like somebody primary school drew it up.
That was her choice. So yeah, no, I sent all the best works to her, and that's what she chosen.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Good work, Vesna. Keep it up.
I will. Look, I'll get off now and get straight into the project. And I don't have a lot left. Like I said, I've actually caught up on what I've done wrong and complete. So I'm just going to quickly redesign well, not really redesign the floor plan, just do the furniture with my hand in there and fix up the mood boards with existing photos. And yeah, so I should be done tonight.
Excellent, excellent. That's what I want to hear.
It's all right. My brain's back operational.
That's all right. Do you have any more questions?
No, thank you, Polina. Thanks for your time and understanding.
No worries. Okay, looking forward to your assessment. Enjoy your week and just shoot me an email if you have any questions or problems.
No worries. The only thing I might have to, I'll shoot you an email tonight when I send you the assignment because I don't think I can actually submit it in the same submit.
Yes, you can. I've already converted to the draft.
Okay, beautiful. Thanks so much.
So you just submit it as normal way you would submit it.
Normally. Okay, because I was looking at it the other day and it was just giving me submitted and all that. So all right, good. If that's fixed, then I'll just put it back. It
should be good. Just shoot me an email if you have any problems, but it should be good.
All right, beautiful. Thanks so much, Polina.
No worries. Enjoy.
Enjoy your baby.
Thank you.
Okay, bye-bye.
See you. Bye.